So today is my first day of freedom, by the way, and the first thing that we do in Hong Kong is always have dim sum. And then this is where we go have it. It is in this country club. Members only, because it's much more peaceful. The first thing that you have to do whenever you enter, you always have to scan your QR code. Well, you have to scan the restaurant QR code, and then you have to scan your own blue code. You have to do it in every single location, which it kind of gets a bit tedious. With a little Santa right there. So really yummy dim sum, and then now we're just gonna get the car and then go home. So right now I'm at TST and we're going to a very, very luxurious mall. It's called K11 Musea, and that is where literally the most bougie shops are. It's kind of like going to Harrods, but I'll show you. It's like very, very, very luxurious. And then we are going to have afternoon tea in Fortnum and Mason. I know it's a very British thing to do. It's not very Asian of us to go to afternoon tea, but it's a very, very pretty place to go to. And then we're going to have some really nice tea. The Hong Kong skyline. You probably are more familiar with that building with the Bank of China, and then you've got a cross over here. Very, very pretty. And then it goes all the way to the other side, and then right behind us, that's the really bougie K11 Musea. That's like the bougiest shopping mall that exists. Some sort of cable car thing. There's like a massive cable car here. Is it? I don't know. It looks like a ice skating thing. It's an ice skating rink.
Is it?
Yeah. I didn't know they had such a thing. That's pretty cool. And then they have the Burberry cable car. And then you have Fortnum and Mason there. And that's where we're going to have our afternoon tea.
And then some cream, and then a little bit of cayenne pepper and parsley crisps.